Hello guys, so today we are in Chiang Mai and we are about to go to an elephant nature park. In the morning, a van came to pick us up from our hotel. Everything was included, transportation, lunch and the tour. When we arrived, we did a short walk around the park. We saw some elephants, a lot of dogs and some cats. We saw some elephants behind a fence. One of them was very playful and even threw a stick at me. It was really fun. Elephants were not really afraid of humans. I guess they were really used to see them. Some of them would even come really close to us. They will use their trunk to smell us or to get food from us. So it was really fun to see that. Then we cut watermelons and bananas to feed the elephants. Elephants can eat up to 150 to 200 kilograms of food every day. Usually they eat grass, leaves, bark, fruits, sugar cans, bananas, and watermelons. The guide told us that elephants can spend up to 16 hours a day eating. Sometimes they can eat and poop at the same time. The elephants looked healthy and happy. We were not allowed to touch them, which I think is good. The mahout, the people who take care of the elephants, were kind and seemed to know the elephant very well. It was a wonderful day, and if you visit Chiang Mai, I really recommend going. The elephants are big, beautiful, and amazing to see up close.